we come to British Constitution. Now this is again a very important source of our constitutional provisions, because we were under the British rule and we were familiar with the British way of functioning. So we had incorporated a lot of things from the British Constitution. For example, the parliamentary form of government, this we have taken from the British Constitution only. The rule of law, again A.B. Dicey, okay, taken from British Constitution. Legislative procedure, how the bills are to be passed, the first reading, second reading, third reading, okay, then repeated in the second house, then second house can accept it with some amendments, right, or reject it, right, then how it will be passed and so on. So then once both houses have passed it, then how it goes to the president for the final assent and so on. So legislative procedure that has been taken from the British Constitution. फिर जो सिंगल सिटीजनशिप का कॉन्सेप्ट है, वैसे तो हमने फेडरल सिस्टम लिया, बट अगेन वी ऑप्टेड फॉर सिंगल सिटीजनशिप. So you are not a citizen of India and citizen of Uttar Pradesh, you are a citizen of India only. Okay, तो हमारे पास सिंगल सिटीजनशिप है. Then the cabinet system, the cabinet form of government, that is also taken from the British Constitution. The writs, 5 writs है to enforce the fundamental rights, right? So habeas corpus, mandamus, prohibition, certiorari and quo warranto, these are the 5 writs which can be issued by the Supreme Court or High Court to enforce the fundamental rights. So these writ system that has also been taken from British Constitution. Then parliamentary privileges, this means the privileges that are available to the members of parliament plus to the houses of parliament, the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. तो ये सारे parliamentary privileges भी हमने concept लिया है from the British Constitution. Then we have bicameralism. Bicameralism means, cameralism means, yeah, camera means chamber. So we have 2 chambers, right? So bicameralism means the parliament has 2 chambers, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. This concept also taken from the British Constitution. So we have seen that such important provisions, they have been taken from the British Constitution. How to remember them easily? Let us follow another acronym. So I'm sure that you might be following cricket. तो यहाँ हम थोड़ा cricket को use करते हैं. So I have this acronym RCB and LPW, right? C is 2 and P is also 2, right? That means from C we are getting 2 concepts and from P also we are getting 2 concepts. So RCB, Royal Challengers Bangalore, ठीक है, अच्छी टीम है लेकिन IPL नहीं जीत पाती है, तो we know that. LPW, तो आपने भी जब छोटे में क्रिकेट खेला होगा, तो जो लेग बिफोर विकेट है उसको बच्चे छोटे में जनरली LPW बोलते हैं, ठीक है, बिकॉज दे डोंट नो कि इट इज लेग बिफोर विकेट, तो कॉमनली चलता है LPW हो गया, LPW हो गया, राइट? सो वी यूज दैट ओनली हियर, रॉयल चैलेंजर्स बैंगलोर एंड LPW, and C is 2 and P is 2. So R stands for rule of law, C stands for the cabinet system, and another C stands for single citizenship. Then B stands for bicameralism, the L stands for legislative procedure, one P stands for parliamentary form of government, other P stands for parliamentary privileges, right, and W stands for writs. Okay, so easy way to remember, RCB, LPW and C2 है और P भी 2 है, okay, and you can remember it easily through this acronym, ठीक है, RCB, LPW, अगर रिवाइज करेंगे तो आपको आराम से याद रहेगा. So this is about the British Constitution.